Hello, do you work in the construction sector? Are you a manual laborer or an employee? Did you know that from the 1st of October 2020, the SANEDIL National Supplementary Healthcare Fund has been active? This fund is a great achievement of the trade union, which gives workers and their families access to supplementary health care in addition to that provided by the National Health Service. For example, we provide funds for pre- and post-admission salary allowances for hospitalization after surgery. It also provides payments for specialist examinations, tickets, sessions of physiotherapy and rehabilitation. For more information, contact the officials of Filial at CGL Modena. They will be at your complete disposal.